Hey guys. Okay, so it's the Mackie Mac.
Hey, Christina.
Yeah.
Or I should say, Christy Mars, 18.
Oh, I'm using her camera because we're about to leave for dance.
Let me fix my hair.
Ooh, oh, there's a car. There's a car. There's a car. There's a car. There's a car.
Just fixing my hair.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I am standing in the bathtub. We got hung. There's Christina. I found her. Let's get it on. Yeah, we can go on. OMG. Sorry.